Black's objective here is to kill this white group on the corner. The only danger, really, is the coat, right? If black plays something like this, then whites can't initiate a coat like this and try to live. But black really doesn't have to play a coat in order to kill white. White is very short on liberties. The liberties on the outside are very tight, and black has this move on the first line. So there are multiple ways, actually, that black can kill white. One move would be this, right? It's threatening to cut off these two white stones. And there can be a snapback like this. So that's what black is aiming for. And if white plays here, then white is already dead, right? This will be a pyramid 4 shape in the end. If white plays here, right, now black needs to be careful. Black can play this. This will be another ko. Black can just play this. And when white plays here, black can just cut. And now white cannot enter on either side, right? Because white's liberties are so short in this problem. And black can succeed with 1, 3, and 5. Or black can also play here first, right? If white plays here, then this won't be enough eye space. If white plays here, then black can cut. And now white is dead, right? White cannot enter here. And black will be able to capture white from the outside. Or if white plays here, then similar. Once again, white cannot enter on either side. And white will be dead this way. So 1 and 3 can also guarantee black's success. Maybe cutting here first also works, right? I don't think the sequence matters that much because white is really, really short on liberties. So if white captures, then black can jump in now. And this will still be a success for black. If white tries something like this, then just make sure white doesn't have 2 real eyes on the corner. And white will still be dead this way. Or this way. So I guess the main takeaway would be to not be too lazy, right? To try this decreasing eye space move and do this, right? 1 and 3 is the worst that black can do. What black needs to do instead is to capitalize on white's shortage of liberties and find a way to kill white and not to play the ko. Thank you for watching.